Hello everyone, I'm Kathleen. Today we introduce our new style boat, bowrider. This boat is long 6 meters. Okay, let's have introduce it. Let's turn the camera. See this boat. It's with a very beautiful streamline. You can see it looks like a yacht. The bottom of this boat we use the all marine grade 5 review 83 aluminum. You can see the wedding line is very beautiful, and the sink of this boat 6 millimeters, and you can choose the color as you like. Okay, let's have a look at the interior of this boat. Now we in the behind of this boat, you can see there is a transformer. It's usually install one engine. You can choose the engine as you like. Yamaha, Suzuki, Mercury. You can see there's a hatch cover. That's is needed to open. You can take the bilge pump of this boat. Let's have a look the interior of this boat. The fuel, open the fuel, add the fuel from there. The roof of this boat. This boat can load in about 8 passengers. In the front, there's a 1,300 seat. Can sit about 4 to 5 passengers in there. There's 2 captain and passengers, 6, 7 people, and in there there's a long bench in there. It's a folding bench. You can sit at here. So there's a big fish tank. A big fish tank, you can see that's very big. Can loading money fish, and the fish tank connects the pump draw the water from the ocean into this tank. You can let the water pour into from there, and the water, when you open the hole, the water pour out from there. The pump can keep the seawater living, and the fish more fresh. There's a battery box. The line already. You just need to connect with the battery. There's a cup holder, rod holder. The bilge pump, you can clean the deck very easily. We just have a trick. There's the UV thick floor that belongs to the opposite. You can choose the color as you like, and if you don't like the UV thick floor, you can choose aluminum thick padded floor. There's a camping seat that's very useful when you driving on the ocean. That it can reduce the holding and make you sit on there more comfortable. There's a very good design. There's a big storage box. You can put your life jacket on there or other items in there. And there's another storage box. You can see this customer installed a Yamaha motor engine. That's you can see the control, and there's a control panel. You can charge your phone. There's a USB. There's an anchor button and a fuel case, and the hydraulic steering system. Bluetooth music system. You can listen the music as you like. Connect with your phone. There are 1,300 seats. You can sit here talking with your friend. It's very comfortable. In there can sit about 4 to 5 passengers in there. And the winch, the height cover, you can take it. Another good design is under the seat have a storage box. You can put some small items in there. In Bangtan, you can sit at here, talking with the captain. Okay, that's the whole information. That's the whole information of this boat. If you want to know more information about this boat and know the price of this boat, add my water app in the end of this video or email to me. If you need other style or boats, you can connect with me. Okay, that's now. Bye bye.